Alright, so real quick, what do you do if your window comes off track in your Honda Civic? Well, mine's a 98, 99, 97, 96, early 2000s, they're all the same. This is an EX, got power windows and locks. What happened is the window, when I put it down, for some reason it jumped off the front track here. And you could tell because when I tried to roll it back up, it actually came up between the mirror and this rubber thing, and it's supposed to be on the inside of the rubber, and it got jammed. It wouldn't go up all the way, obviously. So I'm out in the middle of nowhere right now, and I was able to actually get the everything done with two tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench that I had in the car. So you have to take your door trim off, and how you do that is if you move this out of the way, there's one screw behind there, and then pop your speaker grill off. It's just popped on there. Oh yeah, I had a flathead also. I use that to pop things off. Pop that off, and there's 3 Phillips head screws that hold this area on, and then the rest of it is just snapped in with a few push clips to the door, and then it's slid over the top of here. So you just pull up, lift it off, slide this off. I took this off and then reconnected so I can operate the windows. All right, so like I said, inside of here you can see this track, and the window was on that side and I couldn't get it back. It actually rides, there's a little rubber groove in here that it rides in. So all I did was take this bolt out down here. I believe it's 10 millimeter. Like I said, I just had my adjustable wrench, loosen that, took it out. It allows you to move this track, push the track back out of the way, pulled the window, slid the track back over the window, held the track in place, screwed this back down, and now everything is working perfectly again. So, quick video, maybe to help somebody out later.